Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guy, and today we will be making an edible calculator. I did start a video, but then I've only got max 15 minutes on it, and I did all that. But you'll find it on Wenji's channel. I love Wenji. He's like one of my favorite YouTubers, and all you have to do is get some fondant icing, roll it out, make a shape. You can dye it if you want to, or you can just buy different colours. If you've got cracks at the top, put your finger in. Yeah, cut out a small square, so that'll be the screen, and then do some buttons. And I'm going to be doing buttons right now. So I've done a blue button there, and now I've got to do another two buttons. So they'll be like the top buttons, and then I'll do the side. Then I'll do the side, and then I'll do the middle. Ta-da! So, I'll do all the buttons, all the top ones, and I'll see you in a second, guys. Okay, so hey guys, I have done another button, but it looks pretty ugly and poopy, and it's bigger. Let me turn the light on quickly. There we go. So much lighter. This is taking so much longer than I thought it would, and it's so annoying. Now what we're gonna do is do like the 8. Here we go. Now what we're gonna do is carve in. No, not. My bad. So, I'm going to keep making buttons. And we've got to make loads, guys, and so much to do. It's unbelievable. So we have to do another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going on 3. That's 12 buttons in total. Wow. Hang on, guys. Okay, so hey guys, I'm not really going to colour the buttons anymore, but you can if you guys want to. But here it is. Because I'm not going to colour the buttons because I'm not feeling well. So, yeah. You can colour the buttons if you want to. I kind of rushed it. There are bits on it. That's from my hands because loads of food on them, so I can have a bath. And yeah, but I'm going to end the video here. Bye.